Hello, my name is Tereasa Neal and you're watching Vegan with Soul. On the menu for today is a country vegan breakfast. I'm using Gardein chicken breast as well as some Brussels sprouts and polenta. I'm going to make some homemade gravy, so let's get cooking. Well, hello guys. As you can see, this is not my kitchen. I am in Raleigh at my sister's house visiting her until it's time for us to go to a homegoing celebration. And so I wanted something to eat, and the thing she named I didn't want. So we went to Whole's Food and I came back with this, and so I cooked breakfast, maybe lunch. We'll just call it brunch. And so guys, I hope you enjoy this video. I will see you at the end of this. And now it's tea time. A great way to end a good meal. Thanks guys for watching Vegan with Soul, and I'll catch you next time.